ready to unlock incredible travel deals and find your perfect hotel. Let's dive into this quick Agoda hotel booking tutorial. First, head over to Agoda's website or open the app right away. You'll see the search bar here. Enter your desired destination. I'm going to type in Paris as an example. Next, choose your check-in and check-out dates. Select the dates you plan to stay, and then click Down. Now, specify the number of guests. You can adjust the number of adults, children, and infants traveling with you. Once you're happy, click Search. Agoda will show you a list of hotels in Paris. To narrow down your search, use the filter options. You can filter by price, star rating, guest review score, facilities, and more. Let's filter by guest review score and select date. See how the results have updated. Now, pay close attention to the pricing. Agoda often shows prices before and after taxes and fees, so make sure you understand the final cost. Click on a hotel that catches your eye. On the hotel details page, you'll find photos, descriptions, and room options. Carefully review the cancellation policy before you book. Then, select your preferred room type. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and any special requests. Double-check everything before proceeding. Choose your preferred payment method. Agoda offers various options, including credit cards and other digital payment platforms. Enter your payment information securely. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a confirmation email with your booking reference number. Keep this number handy. You can also manage your reservations through your Agoda account on the website or app.